Hello. Imagine a world where nothing moves, nothing happens, and everything is still. That would be pretty boring, right? Well, that's where energy comes in. Energy is what makes things move and happen all around us. Think about when you wake up in the morning. You have energy to get out of bed, run around, and play. That energy lets you do all sorts of fun things, and it's what makes cars go, airplanes fly, and lights turn on. Now, energy has two main forms. One is called potential energy. It's energy that's stored up and waiting to be used. A stretched bow with an arrow is ready to zoom. A battery sitting in a drawer also has potential energy waiting to power your devices. The other form of energy is when the energy is being used. It's called kinetic energy, and it's the energy of movement. A ball rolling down a hill or you running around a playground, these are all examples of kinetic energy. But energy isn't just one thing. Energy comes in many types, like different superheroes with different powers. First, there's light energy. The sun gives us light energy, lighting up our world and letting us see. Light bulbs also use light energy to brighten up our homes. Then, there's heat energy, also called thermal energy. This is what makes things warm. A campfire, heater, or even the sun give us heat energy that we can feel on our skin. Sound energy is what lets us hear all the noises around us. When you clap your hands, strum a guitar, or hear a friend's voice, that's sound energy traveling to your ears. Electrical energy is a super useful form of energy that powers so many of our favorite things. Electrical energy flows through wires and gives us the power to turn on our TVs, computers, and lights. And finally, there's motion energy, also called mechanical energy. This is the energy of moving objects. A rolling ball, flying airplane, or when you're running all have mechanical energy. We use energy every single day in almost everything we do, from watching TV and riding a bike to playing video games, cooking food, and turning on the lights. Energy is always there, making it all happen. So remember, energy is all around us, making everything move and happen. Energy comes in different forms and types. The next time you turn on a light, hear a sound, or feel the warmth of the sun, remember the amazing power of energy. Thank you for watching.